Today, nothing seems to be working according to plan because I plan on going to this mountain, Adaklu Mountain, and streaming the content from the drone live to Facebook and YouTube. But we had some technical challenges, mainly because the internet there was really bad, so I couldn't do that. Apart from that, before I even got to the mountain, someone called and said they had a dream about me that, I traveled somewhere and then the thing didn't go well. So I was already a little super careful on the mountain. So I got there and then did all that needs to be done. Charlie, the content I'm bringing to you in the coming days about Adaklu Mountain, I can guarantee you, if you know anybody from Adaklu, please ask them to get close. Like they should call their village people and then gather around. They should bring chairs and gather it around because I'm going to be in the middle and I'm going to be giving you Adaklu Toli mainly from the mountain. Like, Charlie, look at these views. Anyway, so I was supposed to show you the city of Ho today, the regional capital of the Volta region. I call it the capital of the tourism capital. So I got to the studio. I wanted to do some live stream again to everybody to see the township of Ho and then some places and some cool stuff. I started the live stream and it didn't go well. It didn't go well, so I stopped the live stream and I decided to record the video and show you the sunset. Guess what? I flew around close to 15 minutes and I forgot to press record. And again, because it was supposed to be a live stream, I forgot. So where I remembered and I started the shot, let me show you where I started recording from. Let's go. What have I done? Can you believe that I started this whole shot and then I didn't even press record? That is crazy. I started a shot and I didn't press record. Initially, this was supposed to be a live stream, but it didn't work. So I decided to get a shot and then show them to you, actually. So that's a roundabout for you. And that is the stadium far in the distance. And the yellow building there, that is some school with them, they rush for town plenty. They were student, they rush just around Center for National Culture. If you know that school, let me know in the right corner now, that yellow school. And now that is the sunset. Oh my God. Look at that sunset. Jeez. All right, so right beside the sunset is a place we call TV Pole. All right, so TV Pole, that is where I believe our cell towers and other things are located in town. So that is TV Pole. Where should I show you? I really wish to get to some places they're actually destroying Ho. Okay, some areas that are getting some distractions, but I'm not sure that would be a good idea because the last time I did a video like that, I got blackmailed from doing a lot of businesses. I lost a lot of contracts and projects because of that. But let me see. What do I even have to lose? I don't even get the contract anyway, so it doesn't matter. So currently, let me take you to some locations that might even get me in trouble, okay? I'm taking you to my church. And yes, the Bible says that judgment will start from the church. So let me take you to my church where the trees there that we used to hide under, everything has basically been destroyed, okay? Everything has been ruined from there. Why? Well, we are told that they want to plant new trees. It didn't make any sense to me anyway, but yeah, that's what they said. They want to plant new trees. And I'm wondering why they were not planted before these ones were cut, but maybe there might be some technical issues or other things there. So yeah, I don't know my church. Where is this? This is KK House. Okay, this is KK House, so we need to move. All right, so before we get to KK House, let me send you to, is it Kwanyingba Park or something? Yeah, let me take you to kind of Kwanyingba Park or something. So this park, those who know who, is that Kwanyingba, just opposite Center for National Culture, just opposite Pencils of Promise or Old Bank or something, whatever it is. Yeah. This side used to have trees, like big trees. I play there with my kids a lot, so I know this location quite well. And the sad part is that we all woke up one day and the whole place, the trees were gone. They just chopped everything down. And then now there's a wall. Like, who cuts down trees to mount a fence wall? Okay, so I believe from here, we can see the sunset again. So I'm going to show you distraction at the same time, something beautiful from the sky. So yes, that park over there, like, it used to be a fun place. But now it's not. Should I stop this recording and grab a picture? No, it will ruin the whole thing. So I'll not actually do that. That is the sunset in Ho, and then directly opposite, Pencils of Promise. Formally, I salute you. I know you'll be watching this video. That's your office. So essentially, that is it now. Now, I'm taking you to my church. There's the possibility if I show you this, they'll sack me from the church, but Charlie, God's house. I'm not sure you can sack me from God's house. So let me see, my height is, okay. I need to stay within the rules as well and not break any laws. So I'm not going to be doing any ridiculous flights and then flying over. So I'm showing you a bit of Volta again. That is Dome. Dome guys, they make noise plenty. Prince Amevi. Prince Amevi and Mount Leme bread are on this stretch. Yes. Truly, I'm not, this is, I'm trying to stay within the rules and I'm in my studio too, so I'm not giving you any cinematic flights, I know. These shots I'm showing you here are not any beautiful shots though, but yes, I'm trying to get you a shot of my church where all the trees were cut. Explanation being that, yeah, so if you know any of these buildings, you tell me in the comments below. Yes, I'm not getting any cinematic shots again because hey, also, okay, this is my studio, stadium. Where's that building? Mauko Girls. Okay, if Mauko Girls is there, okay, good, this is my church. So you see, now I cannot even identify my church anymore because it's naked. The church is naked. That is crazy. My church is naked. Those who know Hokboji, look at my church. All the trees are down. This is sad. This is beyond sad. I'm going to pause the video again and then like get your picture. This is sad. So that's my church. That is Hokboji, and the trees, we are told they are being cut so that they'll plant new ones. And for me, I don't want to accept that explanation at all. The building is naked. Hey, Charlie, with the new roof in it, the building looks nice. So our church looks nice. But there's a possibility if I don't go to church again, it's because like I go church, then sack me say I do video about them cutting out the trees. But truly, I'm so not happy. Okay, I so don't like this at all. Guys, the building looks sweet. This is solid. So I'm trying to see by now the sunset is gone. We would have finished, I would have lost the sunset already. Let me see. That's my church. Saying they're going to plant another one and then they're falling on the walls or something like Charlie. Explanation will not sure that makes sense to me, but what can you say? Essentially, that is it. So yes, this was supposed to be a live stream from Adaklu Mountain, but then there were some technical challenges. Basically, the network at Adaklu Mountain wasn't good. I got back to the studio. I'm like, okay, now let's do it from the studio. And Charlie, it make long. Yesterday, I went to, how do you call it? I was at Chito before I had to come down to Adaklu again. So my body kind of stressed. When I got back from Adaklu, I couldn't do what I was supposed to do. So we are heading back to the studio now. Those who don't know my previous studio, and you are still sending business to KK House. Please, Charlie, I left KK House, I left KK House since. Okay, I left KK House since. All right, so I'm flying to the studio now for you to get a good view of what we are doing or where the studio is currently located. So let's see. We are close again. This is, which park is that? So the park is on the right side where they destroyed all the trees. Why? I don't know. Their explanation, I cannot tell. I don't know what their explanation is, truly. So that's KK House, my previous studio. I'm no longer there, all right? So I'm just following the map, basically. I'm just following the map, and I'm not even watching the places I'm going well. Yeah, so this is the city of Ho for you. If you know any of these locations, you tell me. Okay, so my remote controller is having low battery now. Oh, I wanted to show you a little bit more, but I've been flying this drone for God knows how long, and my remote controller is telling me low battery. So, yeah, I've been flying this drone for days and days and days. And the thing is that, you see, the drone has, I'll not say a weaker battery, but the drone consumes more battery than the controller. So now that my controller is telling me low battery, I cannot show you too much. So, yeah, let me take you to the studio now. So, Ahwen Market, all right, Ahwen Market, right here. This is our new studio. Please don't come and tell me again that you sent business to my previous location. So because I'm telling you now that Kralov Pictures is not there any longer. Oh, why is everything working like this today? First, I was supposed to send you a live stream from Adaklu Mountain. It didn't work. and I'm sending you live stream from the studio. That didn't work either. And now, let me get you videos from my studio. And unfortunately, my controller has low battery, so yeah, it's a crazy thing, but bear with me, okay? Yeah, this man here, he's called Sedem. Me then the fight plenty, and do you know what fight we do? The fight usually is that he has big speakers, I have big speakers, and so my studio is here. Wait, so this is my billboard, this is my studio, and then that is his billboard, that is his studio. And there's another fashion place right in the middle here. Charlie, we go feel the go challenge. We go open his speakers, I go open my own, make we see who we won't go break the building. So essentially, unfortunately, I cannot show you too much because, again, my controller is having low battery. I better come back for me to make a come land. So basically, that is it. And please bear with me again. I'm sorry for all the craziness. Let me land quietly. And going forward. So there's a video I did about how trees are being cut and who is being destroyed. If you want to watch this video, it will be at the end of this one right now. So just go down immediately after this one. Hey, then look at my face. Oh, the camera is shy. Okay, so yes, that is the annoying person. So going forward, I'm not making promises, but we'll get something done. So this is our studio. Let me speak to my boss first. So my boss have lock in place. He's called Sedem, aka Puha. I'll explain the Puha to you some other time. And some other cool guy here with fashion stuff and all that. So here we are back to the studio. A little dark, but it's a little kind of like that. On that note, it's double V for Visit Volta. Carol Franklin here. I'll see you when I see you.